The shovel at Belmont Park with the dump truck. Oh boy. The dump truck is backing in. The shovel is going to deposit a large load onto the back of the dump truck. It's going to get another load now. Whoa, that's a big load. Wow. That's a big load. The shovel and the truck. A more natural combination that can never be found. Look at that. The shovel, the truck, moving dirt, digging, hauling, depositing, dumping, grabbing. Mechanical creatures. Moving earth. Excavating. Piling. Here's the bulldozer. The bulldozer. There's the bulldozer. Another dump truck. But the star of the show is the shovel. The shovel is the center of attention. The shovel is the star. The spotlight is on the shovel. The bulldozer, the dump truck, the shovel, digging, moving earth. Whoa. Moving tons of earth. Massive. Moving. Backing off now. Backing off. Here comes a bulldozer. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Massive deposit. Massive. Wow. There's another dump truck off to the left. Somebody, somebody's head got in the way. He's gonna be in the vid now. You won't know it.